Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted data on your PS4. So the easiest way to do this is hold down the PlayStation button, then go to power, and then go to turn off. And we can launch this into safe mode where we can run a rebuild database, which will pretty much defrag your hard drive. So with this turned off, let's go to my PlayStation, and we want to plug in the controller. So get a USB cable just like this, plug the cable directly in. Now when your PS4 turns off completely, we want to hold down the power button. So we're going to hear one beep initially, and then we're going to hear a second beep like 5 to 10 seconds later. And this is going to launch this into the safe mode menu. And our controller is plugged in. If it's not plugged in, we won't be able to operate the safe mode menu. So that is very important. So now on my screen it says connect a DualShock controller and then press the PlayStation button. Okay, now we can operate the safe mode menu. Go on down to option number 5, rebuild a database. So if you have some sort of corrupted data, this is going to go ahead and fix it for you. So let's go over to OK. Now it says it may take a few hours on your screen. Just ignore that. It's not going to take a few hours. Now if you have a lot of games on your hard drive, it might take you about 10 minutes to do this. So my PlayStation 4 is going to restart, and then it's going to bring me to the screen where it's going to give me an estimated time of how long this is going to take. So you're going to see it on the screen, and when it restarts finally, your problems are going to be fixed essentially. So here it is, rebuild database, and you can see how quickly this is going on my screen. I only have like 3 games, and I have a SSD installed on my PlayStation 4 hard drive, so very quick. The older PlayStation hard drive is probably going to be a lot slower. So once this starts up, it should be like normal now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.